ko. Binabati ko ang aking mga brad and sis sa Megalit No Sigma Pi Society 1963. Ang happy 58th year anniversary. Especially sa Qatar Alumni Chapter. Long live Megans!
Good evening to all my brother and sister. My name is Myrene from Hemingway Chapter, Mega Delta Chi. I just want to greet a happy 58th anniversary to all Megas Qatar Chapter. Long life to us. Thank you for support.
Hello, my dear brothers and sisters in Megalit No Sigma Pi. Happy 58th years anniversary Megan Society. Mga brad and sis, mag-amping kitang tanan. Brother Bonsoy from Megan's Alumni Qatar. Alright. I love Megans.
Brothers and sisters around the world, happy 58th founding anniversary, especially Megan's alumni of Qatar. Greetings from Sai Jikai. Thank you. Enjoy.
Happy 58th founding anniversary, brothers and sisters. Ako po pala si Janice Seron from Mega Gamma Omicron University of Iloilo. Long live, God bless. Megan's alumni Qatar.
To all Megalit New Sigma Pi all over the world, happy 58th anniversary. Especially here in Qatar, our beloved Mr. President, happy birthday.
Hi to all my Megans family around the globe. Happy 50th year anniversary. Ako nga pala si Maymay ng Qatar. Stay safe and God bless.
Binabati ko po lahat ng mga kapatid ko sa Megans. A happy 50th founding anniversary. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. From Megans Alumni Qatar.
58th founding anniversary to all Megans from things coming from Megans Qatar. Happy anniversary to one of us. Love you.
Happy 58th anniversary Megalit No Sigma Pi from Alumni Megans Qatar, Liga Eta Chapter. Long live mga brad and sis.
To all Megans, happy 58 years anniversary, September 21, 1963. Greetings from Megans Alumni Qatar. Keep safe and God bless us all. Thank you.
Good day, Megans. Ako di ay si Maricel from Mega Eta Sita Chapter, Central Philippine State University, Kapangkalan City, Negros Occidental. Happy 58th anniversary sa atong tanan.
Sa lahat ng Megano dito sa Qatar at sa buong mundo, happy 58th founding anniversary. Mabuhay po tayo at sana ipagpatuloy natin ang ating magandang samahan. Long live!
Another special shout out to my Megans family, especially here in Qatar. Happy 58th anniversary Megans Qatar and all over the world. Happy anniversary. Long live Brad and sis.
Happy 58th founding anniversary Megan Society from former Megans Qatar. Long live and keep safe everyone.
Happy 58 years anniversary, Brad and sis. Neil Viga from Megaside Chapter Bohol. Keep safe everyone. Long live from Megans Alumni Qatar.
8253 No Sigma Pi Megan Society since 1963. Happy 58th anniversary Megalit No Sigma Pi. This is Sister Jackie from Iloilo Chapter, Megan's Alumni Qatar. Happy anniversary, Brad and sis. Long live.
Assalamualaikum mga kapatid. I Miriam Tag Megans Qatar, batch 1992 from Mega Alpha Mo and Mega Alpha New Chapter, Usami City, the land of promise! Happy 58th anniversary, Megans! Mabuhay! Basta Megano, Megana, guwapo, guwapa!
Brother and sister, happy 50th anniversary. God bless.
It's a golden day. My brothers and sisters of Megalit No Sigma Pi Fraternity and Sorority. This is BM Jong Kagas of Migans Alumni Qatar, and Miga Alfaro chapter of Cagayan de Oro City. Happy 58th anniversary to all of us. God bless and always take care. Thank you.
To all Migan brothers and